Hello students! So in this lesson we're going to be working on understanding the use of words with multiple forms. You have probably noticed that many vocabulary words in English can have multiple word forms. For example, the word shame is not only a noun, but it is also a verb. Take a look at this chart on the left here. Notice that appeal can be a noun, but it can also be a verb. Conference is also a noun and has the same verb form as well. Take a look also at the differences in pronunciation between some nouns and some verbs. For example, the word subject as a noun has the stress on the beginning of the word. Subject is a verb, and the stress is on the second half of the word. Advocate is also a noun, meaning a person who defends others. Advocate is a verb, meaning the defense of others. Notice that the word has two places of stress in the verb. Associate is a noun. Notice the stress in the middle of the word. Associate has both stress on the middle and the end of the word. For practice, look at the sentences to the right with the bolded vocabulary word. Decide if the word used in the sentence is actually acting as a verb or a noun. Then complete the activities for participation preparation credit in this activity module. Number 1. The other students shame him if he doesn't pronounce correctly. He felt so much shame after his team lost. Notice that the verb shame, or the word shame, is acting as a verb in the first sentence. Shame is acting as a noun in the second sentence. It's important to notice how words in different word forms are used in sentences. Now, continue on for more practice.